Watching more about the Badwam TV. So I'm not so I can see and I actually could for the bro sano no and Canadian swato ra be seen ti wa won chance yen no. But this time me say wo biare kakra ne ade a but yen hwe ho so ye sanse so to sa na ba biewu biewu e ba sa ekwan nyina yiri ne ade a say si ye biare ne ba. Ti say eh ho papa. Na ba na sa so to na obu an sasa braba. Nti kwan bia so no na say opedro bi e betimi aboa ne ade a study more gel and roll on. Pin be a quite study more gel and roll on. I want to back a crab and no one idea can hold a bit patcho. I do be any hobby be study more pet or called drugstore so per study more gel and roll on. Nema a pin beer too. And of course, oneexpert.com and a match is a hardware and we're bass on it, never basso, we can never basso, which made this career go bottom. Oneexpert.com, betting companies nebu, and on a papa, Jivas Mesh and Emojin and also paper. No, it's not so bad. Since what to Eden, body no be firewood. So, it's a chief fast measure. Yes, I take it, oh, pre so. Nam pons me mensanso na Newcastle and sweet me ebo edigu musa e wo horom na me hwese me to the table na to dwade ama e wo hanom sesia na no pay na akopie mu e wo soro ho de ya Arsenal na ajaboso. Yes, still. Who say City chene no mono but the see the still our jabo so a oni obi any case ti over pra nkonko se hwe ti Arsenal and ajabo so ho na City toss me no City and our standing games so the pem so and table no so yi hu pa ne ade a but you better say weekend games no so be si akọ Southampton tena firma bomb of Bonne Kaba ko Everton so tena firma Newcastle e bon 4-1 but in the Bundesliga I bought him and Borussia Dortmund e bon na nwumre na Cologne then Freiburg abo Union Berlin Bayer Leverkusen Frankfurt and Augsburg Leipzig Hoffenheim na Stuttgart ne Mönchengladbach abo Schalke ne Werder Bremen and they be pem so Bayern Munich ne Hertha Berlin be Wolfsburg and Mainz 5 now ye fi Bundesliga ne na yenko yenim ko hwe ye be cost in the La Liga Osasuna Sociedad na nwumre yelche and Rayo Vallecano ye ochna Real Madrid ne Almeria Barcelona and Real Betis Barca na no lose but still more of them vogo and ba so betumi abodwuma Aji league in the city matrix 11 points that when Real Madrid in terms still and now Madrid lose and Barca lose here and Tafunku. Cadiz de Valencia Sunday, Villarreal Celta de Vigo Espanyol, Getafe, Valladolid and Atletico Madrid and Jordan Mallorca and Athletic Bilbao, na Sevilla and Girona and so any Jordan. Now you feel on the Ligue 1 Strasbourg and Lyon, Lille and Ajaccio, na Monaco de Montpellier, Clermont-Foot and Rennes, Angers. Troyes and Nice, Paris Saint-Germain, Lorraine, na Marseille and Auxerre. And so they are going away a French League. Now Serie A, Lecce, Udinese, Spezia and Monza. And then you may match the Barcelona. Ochana Napoli ne Salernitana, Napoli League no Algeria and Zakupim Napoli Krumo ne send you musisi mo. I also meet me I celebrate nyasam ketwa AS Roma and AC Milan. We can match na no den ba ko ni Roma na AC Milan no be den pa Torino ni Atalanta Sunday Inter Milan ni Lazio Cremonese ni Hellas Verona Sassuolo and Empoli na Fiorentina ni Sampdoria Bologna and of course Juventus Italian Serie A match sebe baso na infi Italy na yenko hwe the English Premiership Crystal Palace and West Ham United at Arsenal Brentford ni Northern Forest Brighton ni Wolves Kwasida Bournemouth ni Leeds United na Fulham, Manchester City, about Manchester United, and Aston Villa, Newcastle, Southampton, Liverpool, Tottenham Hotspur, now Leicester, and Everton at the Albany about match of Basso this weekend. Nemo the channels are F. Emame, and our resident in City now moving any Abrubia Peso or Bodjman Economy, and Arsenal, Man City, the man for any warm games in Mopa, and Yasam Ketwakra, Tanonesan and Seven so AC at our English Premiership Remo. But oneexpert.com catch it and as I believe you are betting now this car at the good bottom or Yemra female the Ecoso fee na ye be more the Ghanaian Premier League the more match back what a camera see if you're a Bako Basso 3 p.m. Bako Basso 6 p.m. and a Great Olympics say Metema Ashes work off a bono a Caminua Koroko Antimiante Sanson Archie so Carola Cochini Shefi Bona Kabakwa one to me ante.
Chance for Infege cleared by Adom. He gives it away to Lamptey. Lamptey sends a cross in. Link up play. Osei's cross in. A chance for Olympics and that's the first goal. Michael Osei puts Great Olympics ahead. Clinical finish from the striker. But that was a very good delivery from Christopher Nete. Interesting celebrations from Osei. Here's Michael Osei. He swings the ball in onto the head of Michael Kwekwose, his namesake, but unable to get the right connection. Brilliant idea from Osei to swing the ball in onto the head of Kwekwose. Osei to Nete. Here is Christopher Nete. He still hangs on to possession. Michael Osei on his left foot. Asari, and it's a goal. Olympics have their second. Great Olympics to attack after Asari had collected that corner. Olympics, 2-0 Great Olympics. You want to give credit to Christopher Nete. Good work done. Osei with an effort, and Akese made him where to put the ball onto the path of John Tedeku. Tedeku squares it for Lamte. He's in the box. Back to Tedeku on his right foot. He gets it wrong, but Lamte goes in. Saved by Asari. Morrison doesn't get contact. It's cleared by Lamte. In Fege. Here is Lamte. Can he pull one back? He goes down. It's a dive and it's a yellow card for Lamte for simulation. In Fege did well to get to Lamte first.
Right. The game on, I know the course. Ewo mo no asane koro kwa lose to Great Olympics. Now head coach Adom Olympics here best Makobi Mensa. Or someone to just say we need buy na ye adwumaden ene de aba.
It's over.
I think it was good. Seriously, I told you earlier that we couldn't have done anything better than this very win. You know, playing against Kotoko was a headache for me because they also want to win the league. But at the end of the day, we prepared very well for this game. I think they deserve the win because I think in the first half, we were very dominant in every department. We showed resilience, we showed determination, and that has won the game for us.
With this win, you think your survival hopes remain on course?
I think it has given us more hope, you know, especially after our disappointment in our last game. We came into this game with the mindset of winning than any other team. So tactically, we stopped them from playing in the first half. We saw it. And we gave a certain operational work for Christopher Nate. It worked. You know, so I think that we won this game through on tactical ground.
Right, best mark beat Mensa, Olympics coach Abdul Ghazali. So na share chire okoroko no so nsam kakra tu dwa say chale someone took pa kosuka kofe ne ahyew. Wo san besia ko kumase. Kwantintin ai yapa.
Well, very disappointing. We came here to keep our winning record straight, but unfortunately we couldn't get it right in the first 10-15 minutes. Our players didn't do well in the first 10-15 minutes. We considered an early goal around 8th minute, which I think it was avoidable. A second goal came as soon as we lost. We went in to attack for a corner kick. It's very disappointing to see a playing team like this who need to push up. Anytime we think that we are coming on top, something happening. In fact, this one I was very disappointed in the first half the way we played. Because if we were to play the way we played in the second half, it wouldn't be the same results that we just ended the game with. So I think we have to go back, keep on working to see how best we'll end the league. We cannot continue playing this way and we expect to be on top of the league. We'll go back and work towards the next match we're coming to play on Saturday.
Wow, Abdul Ghazali ni somebody to and no te karako Pesoji League no and ra akwa lose Olympics so say ase ho relations obi aso onko hwan enko koko kudukura so onko oliso onko ke vice aso onko obi aso onko ayo ye be hasini awie ne be mu chale match day 29 baso weekend he were the various league centers ye hwese na fixtures no esi atie and achana ne the aka bibiani Gold Stars etna fie no Olympics next game or bibiani match na anwene since instructor man Medima Sporting Club and so the ball won swatre Karela United and Ibrahim Chelsea na ball Chelsea so aso japa papa Matema Kumasi asane ko tena fie Tamale City or Che House folk and mas man ni da okre no na ball na Bechem United and AFC Summer Test 1996 their boy ni wo Bechem Dreams FC and Legon City's ball na Accra Lions ne RTU and so their boy na as of atena fie won kan Ken Faisal and so the abone na Kotoku Royals near Adriana Stars. And so at the Apimway, the Ghanaian Premier League match day 29, Senegal this weekend. Now, Shanes Mame say Sedimo Gel and roll on a 2 pain beer if you uti pain beer Sedimo. Pin, Sedimo. Yes, now face you fast measure and wedge down now to say Bemo or Bemo. Come up, Nimakui, Abribiamoka, one expect not to come home. Now, yede, Akokensi Abreu, I will be so. Sergio Manucho, Vanna Paribu, me producers, Kejwara Kasani, Eric Casidu Body.